ingredient is 3/4 cup mayonnaise. Okay, you can use a light mayonnaise. That's what I'm using here tonight. You can use an olive oil based mayonnaise, whatever you want. I highly, highly recommend that you do not use Miracle Whip. Here's my thing with Miracle Whip. I get it. Miracle Whip tastes good, right? You have a sandwich, you grab it from the fridge, you put it on there, you have the acidity in there, it's tangy. I get it. But when you're creating a recipe, I want you to take full credit for the flavors in there. So we're adding an acid. We're adding a couple acids, actually. We're adding some heat. We're adding some flavor components. We're seasoning it really nice. Mayonnaise is a blank canvas. You are creating that artwork, right? I don't want you to buy a paint by numbers and say, hey, look what I painted. You didn't paint that at all. You did. So you can make a sandwich with Miracle Whip. Yeah, you made a sandwich, but you didn't create those flavors in there. You relied on a company to make a product that has all that stuff in there already, so you don't have to. Don't do that. Buy mayonnaise, please, folks. Sorry, that's my rant for today. I'm going to get a shirt that says, I don't use Miracle Whip. I don't know.